Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
To understand what ancient Egypt sounded like, we start with chronology and surviving sources. Written records start around 3000 BCE and span 500 years. Stone inscriptions, Middle Egyptian literary texts, and late Egyptian administrative documents give consonant patterns and orthographic clues. Coptic, preserved from 2nd to 17th century CE, offers direct pronunciations for late stages and helps map vowel possibilities. Comparative study with Semitic languages helps reconstruct consonants, and Greek transcriptions of names supply additional phonetic hints for consonants and stress placement in names. Reconstructing phonology shows a consonant-rich language with emphatics and uvulars rather than vowel prominence. Egyptian preserved emphatic consonants like pharyngealized variants, which are recognizable through comparative reconstruction with Semitic and Cushitic languages. The reconstructed consonant inventory resembles Afroasiatic patterns with glottals, pharyngeals, uvulars, and voiced versus voiceless contrasts. Vowel quality is mostly unknown and must be inferred from Coptic, transcriptions, and poetic rhyme. Scholars propose short and long vowels, but remain cautious about precise vowel qualities and stress placement. Scholars reconstruct ancient Egyptian speech using multiple techniques and admit the limits. Reconstruction uses Coptic, transcriptions, rhymes, and comparative linguistics, plus Greek and Akkadian loanwords and native spelling variants. Phonetic experiments model consonant values and test syllable structure, yet modern vocalizations are approximations, not exact replicas. They are hypotheses presented for education and acoustic plausibility. Singing and chants can plausibly reflect ancient intonation patterns, because poetic meter and religious recitation preserve rhythm even when vowel details are lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.